Hi, welcome. I will demonstrate how you can start selling on Hyperaze. First, sign up an account using email, Discord, or Google. Next, you will need to connect a Stripe account. After connecting a Stripe account, click on Products on the side menu. Then click on Add Product on the top right. Upload an image and fill in the rest of the information. Then, create a pricing plan by clicking on the Add Plan button. Fill in all the information on this page. You can select a pricing type of free, subscription, or one-time fee. Lastly, add a listing and your product will be listed on the marketplace. Alternatively, you can create a private checkout link. Go to your products and click on Plans. Then, Checkout Links. Create a checkout link by filling all the information here. After you are done, copy the link and send it to your customers.